Yes, good morning, children. Today, 9th of November. Today, our topic is that different kinds of quadrilaters and their properties. So, before today, we have to discuss about your chapter is understanding quadrilaters and introduction of these quadrilaters, polygons, types of polygon. Next, adjacent sides, vertices, and diagonals of a polygon. Then angle sum property of triangle, quadrilateral, pentagonal. You have to show this angle sum property by activities of triangle, quadrilaters, pentagons. And then remember it, this formula you can use in worksheet 1. The sum of interior angles of the pentagon of the polygon is n minus 2 into 180. If you know the number of sides of a polygon, then we can find the sum of interior angles of the polygon with this formula n minus 2 into 180. With the help of this formula, we have to find the interior angles of the polygon, and after that we can find each angle of regular polygon of n sides would be n minus 2 into 180 whole upon n. So in this way we can find. So here examples of equilateral triangles and hexagonal. But today again I start the different kinds of quadrilaters and their properties. First one is your parallelogram. Look at the shapes. In parallelogram, opposite sides are equal and parallel. AB parallel to CD or AB is equal to CD. AD parallel to BC or AD is equal to BC, or AC and BD are diagonal. Next, trapezium. In trapezium, AD parallel to BC. One pair of opposite sides is parallel and other two sides are non-parallel. This is called your trapezium. Again, this trapezium has two diagonals AC and BD. After that, rectangle. In rectangles, opposite sides are equal. AB is equal to CD and AB parallel to CD. AD is equal to BC and AD parallel to BC. And AC and BD are two diagonals and they are equal. In rectangle and square, diagonals will be equal. With the help of properties, I have to explain each and every thing about these quadrilaters, kinds of quadrilaters. Next one is square. Why it is called square? Because all sides are equal. All sides are equal and each angle is equal to 90. Angle is equal to 90, angle B is equal to 90, angle C is equal to 90, angle D is equal to 90. Now each angle is also 90 in case of rectangle. A is equal to 90, B is equal to 90, C is equal to 90, D is equal to 90. Diagonals are equal. In rectangle, diagonals bisect each other, but in square, diagonals bisect each other at right angle. Angle 90, angle 90, angle 90. Now rhombus, this is a rhombus. All sides are equal. Diagonals are not equal. AC and BD are not equal. They bisect each other at O. And they bisect each other at right angle. Diagonals bisect each other at right angles. Now, first, how we can define parallelogram, trapezium, rectangle, square, rhombus. This is rectangle, parallelograms and rhombus. They all covers the properties of parallelogram because all are parallelograms. All are parallelograms. First I go for a parallelogram. Parallelogram. A quadrilateral in which both pairs of opposite sides are parallel is called a parallelogram. Symbol for parallelogram is two parallel lines and then GM, parallelogram. In short form we can write as parallelogram. A quadrilateral in which both pairs of opposite sides are parallel is called a parallelogram. Second, trapezium. A quadrilateral in which one pair of opposite sides is parallel is called a trapezium. Rectangle. A rectangle is a parallelogram in which one of the angle is a right angle. Rectangle is a parallelogram. It means opposite sides are equal and parallel and one of its angle is right angle. Each angle is equal to 90 degree. Square. Square is a parallelogram in which one pair of adjacent sides means AB adjacent to BC one vertex is common. BC adjacent to CD, CD adjacent to DA, and DA adjacent to AB. Square is a parallelogram in which one pair of adjacent sides is equal and one of its angle is a right angle, same as rectangle. Rhombus, a parallelogram having a pair of adjacent sides equal, is called a rhombus. Now we will discuss the properties of different kinds of quadrilaters. First I go for parallelogram. This is a parallelogram. ABCD is a parallelogram in which AB parallel to CD and AD parallel to BC, or AD is equal to BC. In parallelogram, both pairs of opposite sides are parallel and equal. AB is equal to CD and AB parallel to CD. AD is equal to BC, or AD is equal to. Now in parallelogram, both pairs of opposite angles are equal. Angle A is equal to angle C and angle B is equal to angle D. And in parallelogram, diagonals bisect each other. Diagonal AC and BD bisect each other at O. Bisect each other at O. And in a parallelogram, opposite sides are parallel and equal. Okay. Now next, properties of trapezium. This is your trapezium. In trapezium, here AB parallel to CD. Yes, a trapezium is a quadrilateral in which one pair of opposite side is parallel, is called a trapezium. One pair of opposite side is parallel. Diagonals bisect each other. Diagonals are not equal. AC is not equal to BD. Also, diagonals are not equal in case of parallelogram. In parallelogram, diagonals are not equal. AC is not equal to BD. Now, diagonals are not equal and opposite angles are not equal. In trapezium, opposite angles are not equal. In a rectangle, each angle of a rectangle is a right angle. Angle A, angle B, angle C, angle D, all are 90. Diagonals bisect each other. In a rectangle, diagonal only bisect each other. And it means AO is equal to OC and BO is equal to OD. Diagonals are equal. AC is equal to BD. Opposite sides are equal and parallel. AB is equal to CD and AB parallel to CD. AD is equal to BC and AD parallel to BC. Now next, square. Each angle of a square is a right angle. Angle A is equal to angle B is equal to angle C is equal to angle D is equal to 90. Diagonals of a square are equal. AC is equal to BD. Diagonals are equal only in case of square and rectangle, not other kinds of quadrilaters. Opposite sides of a square are equal and parallel. All sides of a square are equal. The diagonals of a square. Now listen, the diagonals of a square bisect each other at right angle. It means in this triangle AOB is called your right angle triangle. Why? Because diagonals bisect each other at right angle. Here angle is 90, 90, 90, 90. There are 4 right angle triangles. AOB, BOC, triangle COD, triangle AOD. All are right angle triangle. Now next, rhombus. All sides of a rhombus are equal. AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to DA. And diagonals are not equal. AC is not equal to BD. AC is not equal to BD. But diagonals bisect each other at right angle in case of rhombus. Like similar square, diagonals bisect each other at right angles. Diagonals of a rhombus bisect each other at right angle. Diagonals are not equal. Opposite angles are equal. And opposite sides of a rhombus are equal and parallel. So homework, do activity second, activity 3rd and activity 4th from your book. Activity 2nd is given in page number 184 and activity 3rd and 4th are given in page 188. Activity, this is your 2nd is on page 184 and 3rd and 4th for parallelogram and trapezium it is given on page number 188. So thank you very much. Have a nice day. After that I go for next video, that is worksheet 1.